Guys, this is Brian from Real Cell Phone Fix, and today we have a Galaxy S7. This is the S7 Edge from AT&T. I'll show you the model number. Oops. This one is on one of the latest versions, PF2 601. For this one, we're gonna be doing IMEI repair. That's the IMEI. Alright, let's get started. If you guys have any questions, there's your phone numbers and email if you got additional concerns. For these models, we can do it remotely over the computer, but for the US models like AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint, and Verizon phones, you're gonna need to have an UART box to your, so we can connect your connection. Mostly dealers and cell phone repair stores have those. You can also mail it in to us if you don't want to pay for the UART box that we do sell it. For international models, we can also do it. For international models, you don't need a UART box. You just need to have a USB cable and fast Ethernet, and we'll be able to do it over the computer. Okay, as you can see, AT&T. Okay. Let's go ahead and verify the IMEI. There we go, the new one. And there you go. Everything is good to go. This phone is done. If you will have any other problems, IMEI is fixed. PF1. If you got any questions, there's the phone numbers and emails. You can contact us anytime. You can text. Thanks for watching, guys.